it's Tracy, also known as Porch Daydreamer, and I'm here to talk about a sound that gets pretty annoying over time, and that is slamming cabinet doors. I'm here to solve that problem for both you and for me in under 5 minutes and for less than $5. So come along and I'll show you how quick and easy this installation is. What is this amazing product? It's a soft close hinge adapter. And yes, it's under $5. And the simple installation instructions are all you have to do is mount it and attach a screw to your cabinet through this hole. So we'll go into some details about how to install this. But first I wanted to mention, if you have any kind of a cabinet that has an overhang like I do, you will have to attach a spacer. And it's very simple. On the surface, it doesn't look like it's very simple to attach, but it goes on this side and there's little grooves in the plastic. So I'll let you see that. And all I'm going to do is slide it up and attach it in place. And it just clicks in and it stays. So when you install, you're now going to go through not only this, but this. So you're going to need likely a wood screw that's about 1 3/4 inch. And the other thing is, just note that depending on if you're going to install this on the right-hand side or the left-hand side of your cabinet, that this little piece that is an extender piece can be installed on either the left or the right. It's grooved either way. So just pay attention to that before you get drilling any holes in your cabinets. And what this little screw does is you can turn it to the right or turn it to the left, and it's actually going to adjust the depth of the bumper. So I didn't like how far it was sticking out and my cabinets weren't closing all the way after I just installed a couple. So just to show you what happens with just a few twists, it'll get longer or it'll get shorter. So I'm having mine pulled probably all the way in when I do my installation. So just a little quick tip on that. Okay, so a couple things before you get started. So I've got my spacer attached. I also have this screw that's going to go in through here. You want to bump it up against the cabinet itself and also against the top of the frame so it's all lined up before you screw it in. Now, the big debate is, do we want to do a pre-drilled pilot hole, or are we just going to screw it in? And I am impatient and I like to just go ahead and screw it in because I figure I can back out and start all over again. So I like to use a 20-volt drill. It's got a whole lot more power than the previous drills that I've had. So you're just going to have to hold it in place with one hand. And it is a little unwieldy, I have to tell you. And then you're going to take your power drill and screw it in and put some pressure on it with the other, and trying to keep everything flush and level. So let me see if I can get my hand out of the way so you can see where I am. And we're going to go righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So see, I got it started. And then see, it starts to dip down, so I back off. And we've got it in place. You see how easy that was? With just one small adapter, a power drill, and one little screw, you now can have soft close hinges. No more slamming cabinets in my house. And isn't that going to make everybody happy in yours? For more tips, tricks, and lots of paint advice, visit porchdaydreamer.com. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, or share with a friend who may enjoy it.